friends, Dave here at Transfer Express, and today we are chatting all about samples. Now, starting a t-shirt business or bringing apparel decoration in-house is exciting, but I understand it could totally be overwhelming with so many different transfer options out there on the market today. Now, in this video, we're going to look at how custom heat transfer samples can be an easy way to solve some common challenges that new or even seasoned decorators face. Now, we're going to break down what's included in this brand new sample pack that you can get for free, but we're also going to discuss how each one of these transfers is designed to help your business grow and succeed right from the start. Now, this video isn't just about heat transfers. We're totally going to be pressing some and showing you how to use them, but this video is about setting you and your brand up for success. From efficiency, difficult to decorate fabrics, and of course, ensuring you can profit, all helping you become more confident in your apparel decorating capabilities. So are you ready? Let's dive in. Now, you'll notice in our sample pack here, we actually have two different heat transfer types. Now, one, the Ultracolor Max, is a direct-to-film transfer, and the other being Goof proof, which is a screen printed transfer. Now, there is a wide variety of different heat transfers out on the market here today, but these two are by far the most popular. Number one, for their versatility, but also their durability and quality of the finished print. Now, keeping things simple when you're just getting started really helps you get confident in printing apparel, because you're always looking for the consistent, predictable, and repeatable results every single time. It's a key for business, and it's a key for the type of effective heat printing that we're going to do here today that's going to help your business stay profitable. But first up, let's start with these Ultracolor Max direct-to-film transfers. Now, direct-to-film transfers, or commonly referred to as DTF, are the latest and greatest innovation in essentially the t-shirt printing industry. They are known for being high-quality digital prints that allow decorators to create vibrant, detailed designs on a wide range of fabrics, not limiting you by color counts or anything like that. Now, those wide range of fabrics include synthetics and delicate materials like polyester or spandex or even lycra. With the standout color opacity here with direct-to-film prints, crisp detail, and high stretchability, these transfers can endure frequent washing, making them ideal for intricate or multicolored designs with no minimum order quantities. You heard that right. You could order just one in about any size from 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch up to 22 by 24 inches. Now, Ultracolor Max from Transfer Express is perfect for decorators needing flexible, high quality heat transfers without having to meet those high order quantity minimums. Now, this is a major benefit when you're just starting out or just starting apparel in-house, because it allows you to try these different designs without any big commitments. It allows you to say yes to any quantity for your custom work. It is really great for your business, and all you need is a heat press to be able to produce quality apparel. Now, the application process is very straightforward, and we're going to cover each setting to make it as easy as possible for you to get started. Now, back at our heat press, to apply Ultracolor Max transfers, you're going to need to set the press to 290 degrees. Now, this is quite a low temperature setting that's gentle on synthetic fabrics like those polyesters or spandex, and it's going to help prevent scorching or the press box that can sometimes happen with higher heat on synthetic fibers. Now, I do want to caution, not all DTF is created the same. There's definitely other DTF prints out on the market that apply at a little bit higher temperatures, say 325 or even 340 degrees. And while they may still say they apply on any type of fabric, 340 degrees is just a touch too hot for many synthetics like the polyester, spandex, and lycra fabric. But what's the point of printing on it or being able to print on it when you're just going to damage the garment when you get it under that high heat? That's why you need to look for a low temperature under that 300 degrees Fahrenheit is what you want when you're looking for a DTF transfer. Now, Ultracolor Max is going to be that go-to option for you, whether you're working with polyesters, any stretchable fabrics, or any sensitive materials, like when printing athletic or performance wear. Now, for application, all we're going to do is simply load the garment onto the heat press. You could lay it over top, but here on the Hotronix Auto Clam, I'm gonna open it up and thread it onto the lower platen like a pillowcase over a pillow. I do want to ensure that our printing area here is smooth and free of any wrinkles or creases in the fabric or collars or seams. We want a nice, smooth, flat, even printing area for our great application. Next, we're going to pre-press the garment for just a few seconds to remove moisture and wrinkles. And this is an important step that I want to urge you not to skip. Pre-pressing, removing that moisture is super important for getting that durable, long-lasting print. You're going to be steaming out moisture from the garment that it just soaks up from the air, right? But as steam is fighting up and out, if at the same time we're pushing ink down, that's a recipe for a bad time. So just a couple seconds here isn't going to slow your production down at all and ensure you're going to have a great print wash after wash. Now, our Ultracolor Max transfers here arrive on a clear carrier, so they are very simple to position in the right location on the garment and press. Now, Ultracolor Max transfers here are going to be pressed for 12 to 15 seconds with a medium pressure. So that's between a 4 and 6 if you have a pressure readout gauge on your heat press. Now, once the timer goes off, our press is gonna open here and we'll peel the carrier immediately while still hot. Hot peel transfers reduce all of those extra steps because if you have a cold peel DTF transfer, you do have to remove the item from your heat press. It's never going to cool down while still on the press. So you have to remove it from the press, wait till it cools, peel it, and then load it back on the press for another press to seal all the edges. You don't have to do any of that with Ultracolor Max. You're gonna notice that it's just a one-step hot peel transfer that looks absolutely phenomenal. Now you're going to notice right away the vibrant colors and the details that stand out with nice, crisp, opaque whites and those clean edges giving you a polished, professional look. Now, this durability is key when you are building a reputation for yourself and your brand for high quality apparel. Now, the things that you want to avoid when you are researching direct-to-film transfers is, of course, the application temperature, but you should also keep an eye on quality. Now, you're going to notice here on our prints, all of the colors are solid and vibrant, even in these areas that have these fades and gradients. There is no banding across these prints that look like it was done on an at-home desktop printer that's running out of ink. Now, those lines in your prints aren't going to do you or your customers any favors. In fact, they're going to hurt your brand more than the couple cents that you save on the transfers themselves. And you're also going to see in some cases some, well, unsightly grain, almost like an old photograph, and that's in those areas of colors that should be nice and solid and look almost like a screen print on the apparel, but instead they look like a digital print, and that's not good. Now, that's typically due to the low quality inks and low quality plastic carriers here that other suppliers may use to cut some corners and reduce the cost, but it's going to affect your end product too. And if your customers aren't happy, I don't think you're going to be happy. Now, one last thing to mention is that since direct-to-film is a digital printing method, not only can you order just one print, but the turnaround time here at Transfer Express is super fast, with DTF shipping out the same day if ordered before the production cutoff time. Now, with our Ultracolor Max direct-to-film transfers covered, let's switch gears over to the Goof-proof screen printed transfers, which I absolutely love for their ease of use, fast application time, and durable retail-ready finish. Now, Goof-proof is an excellent choice for decorators looking to produce high volume of prints and very quick without sacrificing quality at all. Now, I mean, it is called Goof-proof for a reason. This transfer type is designed to make printing easy and straightforward. forward, even if you're newer to using a heat press. But to start, we're going to actually bump our temperature up to 365 degrees and use a medium to firm pressure. So that's gonna boost it up to more of a 6 to 8 on the pressure gauge here on our Hotronix Auto Clam heat press. Goof-proof transfers are fast, applying in just 4 to 6 seconds here on our single color prints, or 10 seconds for our multicolor prints. Now this quick application time is invaluable if you're handling multiple orders or working on those larger quantity jobs, as it's going to save you time with each press that's going to add up in the long run. Now we actually did a video that we'll link here where we printed 24 hoodies in, well, let's say a shockingly low amount of time. But after this video, go on over and watch it and really see the magic of the Goof-proof screen printed transfers. Now, just like with Ultracolor Max, we are going to start by loading our garment, making sure, again, it's smooth and wrinkle-free, no collars or obstructions here on our printing surface. Then, we are going to pre-press, again, removing that moisture and wrinkles from the garment here. Most importantly, that moisture, right? Then we're going to position our Goof-proof transfer here on the garment. Now, Goof-proof is actually real screen printed plastisol ink that you would typically go through the entire setup process with screens, inks, emulsions, and squeegees, and all of that messy cleanup, except we take care of all that work for you. So it is just a plastisol screen print on this hot release carrier. So all you need is a heat press to get that same great screen printed feel on the shirt. Now, we're gonna press it here for a full 4 to 6 seconds for our single color print. Now, since Goof-proof is a hot peel transfer, we're gonna peel that transfer immediately when the press opens without waiting for it to cool down. You'll see the whites are super opaque right here, and that's to that real deal screen printed plastisol ink. And of course, if you need spot on exact colors, it is also available for Pantone color matching. Now, this means that even darker fabrics like we have here on the shirt are going to have that bright white and any bold colors. And when you combine colors, there are no clear outlines here. You have that nice, sharp, screen printed edge, giving you that clean, professional result every single time. And even for those customers that need that specific brand color, Goof-proof here is going to be your go-to. Now, both transfer types do come with unique benefits. And this little card is kind of going to be a primer for what to use when, right? But I'm not going to go over this entire card because you're going to get one when you ask for your free sample pack. You'll also notice on the back side here is a little call out to the EasyView Online Designer. Whether you could draw a stick figure or you're a graphic design pro, EasyView Online Designer makes it easy to create custom artwork that sells with professional designs that are going to be added in there every single week, helping your business stay relevant to your customers and on those current trends. Check it out in this video that will link down in the description below. Now, of course, we know Ultracolor Max is perfect for those low minimum orders and really works well on just about any fabric type, even those heat sensitive ones, offering great flexibility, versatility, while still retaining that great high quality. Now, meanwhile, Goof-proof is super quick to apply, and those high opacity inks make it ideal for fast production with that true classic retail ready screen printed feel on your finished prints. Now, both transfers are durable, independently tested to 50 wash dry cycles, and deliver impressive results. So you don't have to worry about them peeling, fading, or cracking when you apply them correctly. Which I do want to mention, for those consistent professional results that we've seen here today, a quality heat press is essential. Unlike household irons, which often produce uneven heat and pressure, a professional heat press is going to ensure precise control over the heat press recipe, and that's with temperature, pressure, and time. They're a tripod, so if you just remove one of those, the other two don't matter, it's gonna fall over. These are critical factors for proper adhesion and durability with heat transfers. Now, without these controls, designs may crack, peel, or fade quickly, right? Hurting the quality of your work and your customers' satisfaction. Now, investing in a reliable heat press from the start gives you the quality and efficiency that you need to launch your business with confidence and the profitability that's going to take you to the next level. Now, here at Transfer Express, we have built a reputation on consistent quality control and the highest quality product that leaves our door over the past 30 years, which we know is crucial for any business aiming to deliver a professional product for their customers. Now, for new t-shirt decorators or growing businesses, having reliable transfers that you could count on every time is going to save you from potential reprints or those dissatisfied customers. Now, from the front door to the press floor, our team here at Transfer Express understands the unique challenges faced by both beginners and experienced decorators in our industry, offering guidance and support tailored to help your business succeed. And of course, free education right here on YouTube or anywhere online 24/7. Now, whether you're launching a custom t-shirt business or just looking to bring the custom apparel in-house, both of these DTF and screen printed heat transfers will set you up for success. So go and request your free sample pack. We'll put the link right at the top of the description and in the comments below, and dive in. You could try each one here. We give you a whole bunch. You could test the different garments and throw them in the wash so you could be confident your prints will look good, not just hot off the press, but for years to come. Of course, these samples are a free learning opportunity, and you'll have some great examples to show your customers of the quality of work that you can achieve. And with the right transfers and the right partners in your corner, you're going to be able to deliver quality prints that look and feel professional, helping you build your brand and satisfy your customers. Happy customers here is always the goal, right? As always, be sure to subscribe right here to the Transfer Express YouTube channel to stay up to date on all of the helpful t-shirt business tips, tricks, and inspiration that we're dropping every single week, from applications to marketing tips and so much more. We are dedicated to helping you and your business thrive. I am in your corner 100% of the time. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing. Go get 'em, Tiger.